one of the bigger things we saw when we were sitting through committee meetings, and what is interesting because the Chamber of Commerce is very involved on the other side, this is going to impact small businesses a lot. And small businesses think, well, my insurance rates are going to go down. And again, I would implore you to make sure that they do go down. If they don't, you get an explanation. But here's how it's going to affect small businesses. The changes in the bad faith law, which protects insurance companies, it's going to hurt the small businesses, because you know what's going to happen? What used to be, if the insurance company made a mistake and didn't pay your claim correctly and you're the small business, you could turn it over and say they committed bad faith. Now it's going to be very difficult, if not impossible, for you to do. So what's going to be the operative result of that to you as a small business owner? The attorneys and the victims are going to go after you as the owner of the business. That's going to be their only choice now. It used to be, we can go after the insurance company for their mistake, and you can just assign your rights to the bad faith claim to us, and we won't go after you individually, person or small business. Now, they're going to say, well, gosh, I need, I have millions of dollars of medical expenses, there are hundreds of thousands are going to be needed, and they won't pay it. Now I'm going to have to go to you directly and seize assets from the small business. And there's going to be so many small businesses exposed. There were legislators that are small business owners that were bringing this up to their colleagues when we were there sitting in committee meetings, knowing that it was going to be an exposure to that small business. And I think that's going to be a problem as we look down the road, because there's going to be no choice for us as attorneys but to sue the small business and go after assets that they may have, whether it's their vehicles, their building, whatever tangible assets they have, to pay for those damages, where previously they could point and we could point to the insurance company.